How to sell digital products on Instagram automatically, no website needed. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason, and in this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll be walking you through how you can start making passive income on Instagram automatically. The platform that we'll be using for this example is Beacons.ai. And in this example, I'm going to be showing you a way how you can set it up that everything is done automatically, so you can basically set and forget it. And with Beacons AI, you'll be able to get started for free, and if you want to use it free forever, you can also do that. And I'll be leaving a link in the description that you can use to sign up. So you're going to tap on that link and you'll be redirected to this page. From here, you can input in your desired username. After doing that, what I want to show you before even signing up is with the free plan, as I said, you'll be getting it free forever, as you can see right there. And you'll be able to start selling. The only pullback is they will take a 9% seller fee if you were to stay on the free plan. So that's the only pullback. So once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. From here, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on digital products. And this is where you'll be able to upload your digital products. So you'll simply tap on new product. After you have selected new product, you can select digital product. Once you have tapped on digital product, from here you'll be able to add your product cover image. So let's say, for example, we are creating an ebook. We're going to be selling an ebook. You can tap right there and you could tap on add image. After you have tapped on add image, you can upload the image. And a good platform to go on if you are just creating your digital product is Canva. With Canva, you will be able to create your ebook or different digital products for completely free. So all you need to do is simply upload your ebook cover. So let's say, for example, this one right here. After you have selected the ebook cover, you're just going to tap on accept. And by the way, you can change the dimensions, as you can see right there. So you'll tap on accept. After selecting accept, you can scroll down and you can also edit the product description. Once you have edited the product description, what I want you to do next, you can tap where you see $5 and you can edit the price that you would like to sell it for. Or if it is a case that you want them to pay what you want, so customers set the price, you can tap right there and you can allow them to do that. So you have different options. Then you'll tap on next. And we're just going to tap on upload. And this is where you'll be able to upload the inside of the ebook or whatever product they are going to be receiving. So I'll just be uploading something random for this example. And we're going to tap on next. After doing that, you can see right here, list your product. So you can see it right there. And I can choose to list it on home. So I'll tap on home. We're just going to tap on list product. After you have done that, you can scroll down and you can see different options. You could set up a sales funnel. And this is how you'll be able to automate it if you would like to sell it, for example, via email or so on. But the step that I'm about to show you is how to sell it on Instagram automatically. So you'll simply go over to the left-hand menu option and select marketing. Then you're going to select smart reply. After selecting smart reply, you're going to connect your Instagram account and you want to ensure that you have a business Instagram page. Then you're going to tap on smart reply and you can select a specific post or reel, any post or reel or stories and DM. And it basically depends on which one of these options you would like to promote it on. So let's say I were to select specific posts and tap on this post right here. We can type in the keyword that we would like them to mention in the comment section for them to automatically receive the option to purchase our ebook. So we'll tap on continue. After you have tapped on continue, you can edit the message. Then from there, you'll select the product and you can edit the buy now text. Then you'll tap on continue once more. And if you would like to comment back, you can do that. So you could tap on comment and you could type in the comment that you would like to show. And you'll simply tap on save. So from now on, when you post, whenever someone goes onto this post on my Instagram page and they comment the word buy, they'll automatically receive a DM, and then from there they can tap on the link and they'll automatically be led to my beacons page, and from there they'll be able to make the purchase. So that's what I meant when I said automatically, and that's how you'll be able to set it up automatically. Another thing that you could also do is you can set up different options. For example, you could set up different email automations if you want. But if you would like me to show you how to do that, you can let me know in the comment section and I will follow through with a tutorial on that. If you have any questions, let me know, and thank you for watching.